In this video, I will show you how to insert an image into a cell in Excel. To get started, select any cell where you want the image to appear. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert menu, locate and click on Pictures. A drop-down will appear. Choose Place in Cell. Now, you'll need to decide where to source your image from. For this example, let's select this device. This will open your File Explorer. Browse through your folders until you find the image you wish to insert. Once you've located your desired image, double-click on it. The image is now placed inside the selected cell. You can adjust the size of the cell by dragging its edges so that it perfectly fits around your inserted image. Now let's explore another way to insert an image. Start again by clicking on the Insert tab at the top of Excel. Click on Pictures, then choose Place over Cells from the drop-down options. As before, select this device, which will bring up your File Explorer once more. Browse for your desired image and select it as previously shown. Now, here's a key point: hold down the Alt key while dragging this image towards your target cell. This ensures that it aligns neatly with it. Adjust its position accordingly so that it's visually appealing within your spreadsheet layout. With this method, if you hide any rows containing cells beneath this image, it remains visible. This can be both advantageous and disadvantageous depending on your needs. If you'd prefer that this floating image moves along with its corresponding cell when adjustments are made or when rows are hidden, there's a simple fix. Right-click on the inserted picture and select Format Picture from the context menu. On the right side of your screen, a task pane will open up filled with various formatting options. Click on Size and Properties. Under this section, look for Properties. Here you'll find several options related to how pictures behave in relation to their surrounding cells. Select Move and Size with Cells. By doing this, whenever changes occur in row heights or widths, like hiding or resizing, the picture will move accordingly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.